Hello friends, in this session we'll discuss how to find square root. To find square roots we have to know some square roots where 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. If you look at 1 square equal to 1, where 9 square equal to 81, in the sense where 1 is the units place for two numbers. In the sense, if any square root ends with 1, either it may be a units place is 1 square or it may be ends with 9 square. As well as 4 is ends with either 2 square as well as 8 square. 9 is ends with 3 square and 7 square. 6 is ends with either 4 square or 6 square. 5 is ends with 5 square. 0 is ends with 0. If you look at the questions, root of 3249. To find root of 3249, you have to check units place. What is the units place? 9. Where we are getting 9? 9 is the units place for either 3 square or 7 square. Remaining 32. Where we are getting 32? 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. In the sense we have to take least number. In the sense tens place is 5, units place is 3. Either it may be a 53 square or 57 square. Then what is the exact value of root of 3249? In the sense either it may be 53 or 57. So how to find the exact value? In the sense in between we are having 55 square. To find 55 square, it will be very easy. Where 5 square is 25, next number of 5 will be equal to 6. That will be 30, 25. Given value is more than 30, 25. In the sense answer is more than 55. So answer is root of 3249 equal to 57. And also one more question, 6 is the units place for either 4 square or 6 square. And also 11, 11 where we are getting 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16. In the sense we have to take least number. 34 square or 36 square. Again, we don't know the exact value of root of 1156. In between we are having 35 square. 35 square equal to 5 square is 25 and next number of 3 will be equal to 4. 3 fours are 12. Given value is less than 1225. So the answer for 1156 will be equal to 34. We'll see the next problems. More problems. Root of 6241. Unit digit ends with 1. Where 1 square equal to 1 square and also 9 square. 62 we are getting for 7 square equal to 49, 8 square equal to 64. In the sense it may be 71 square or 79 square. So what is the exact value? In the sense in between we are having 75 square. 75 will be very easy, but in this case we don't need to find out 75 square. Directly we can say that root of 6241 equal to 79. Why? Because 7 square equal to 49. 8 square equal to 64. Given value is nearby 64, in the sense root of 6241 equal to 79. And one more question, where unit digit is ends with 4. 4 is the units place for 2 square as well as 8 square. 23 will be equal to 4 square equal to 16. 5 square equal to 25. Again 5 square equal to 25. Given value is nearby 25. In the sense it will be the answer for 48. Root of 2304 equal to 48. And one more question, root of 8836. Out of double 8836, unit digit is 6. 6 is the units place for 4 square as well as 6 square. 88. Remaining 88 we are getting for 9 square equal to 81. 10 square equal to 100. In the sense it may be 94 square or 96 square. Again in between we are having 95, where 5 square is 25 and 9 equal to 9 tens are 90. Given value is less than 90, so the answer for this one will be equal to 94. We'll see the more problems. Root of 12544. To find this one, we have to check again units place. 4 is the units place for 2 square as well as 8 square. Remaining 125. Remaining 125, where we are getting 11 square equal to 121. 12 square equal to 144. So it may be 112 square or 118 square. Directly you can say that again it will be equal to 112. In the sense, why? Because in between we are having 125. 125 will be equal to, where 5 square is 25, next number of 12 equal to 13. 12 into 13 will be equal to 156. Given value is less than 156, in the sense 112, or else 118 will be equal to 12. 12 square equal to 144. This is far away from 125. Directly we can go with 112. Okay. Next question is root of 17689, where 9 is the units place for either 3 square or 7 square. 176 will be equal to 13 square equal to 169. So 14 square equal to 196. Okay. So what is the exact value? In the sense 133 or 137. Again directly you can say that no need to check in between 135. Why? Because where 5 square is 25, next number of 13 equal to 14. So 13 into 14 is 182. So given value is less than 182. So the answer for this one will be equal to 133. In this way, we have to find the square root values. Okay. Thank you.